How to fix Disney Plus not showing on App Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you fix the problem like Disney Plus not showing on App Store. So let's get started. On this process, after you open App Store and search for the application Disney Plus, if you not find any application on your App Store, it means that that app is not available on your region. So for that you'll have to just look up or wait for a while. That app will come on your country or region. So if you are on the Australia or some other region, that will provide you to download or install the Disney Plus. You can, as usual, change your country or region on App Store. So in some case, your App Store country or region is not set to your own. Like if you live in Australia or any other region that will support this app, you'll have to just change it from App Store. So for that, tap on your profile icon just at the top right, and from here tap on your Apple account. Okay, from here tap on the option country and region, and from here as you have to just select your country or region from here like Australia or any region. Alright, tap on continue. Okay, so from the section you can, as usual, read this agreement from here, or you can also directly tap on the option agree just at the top right. Alright, so from the section you can, as usual, add your payment or your any billing address details. So from here you can, as usual, go with the option credit card or debit card, your PayPal account, or as you can also tap on none here. From here on this section billing address, you'll have to completely provide your billing address, your state, your region, your phone number, and after you confirm with your all of the details here, you will be able to easily find that application on your region that will support that application. So this is the easiest and simplest method to check whether your region is supportable for Disney Plus or not. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.